So guys, I've had another thought. You know, if that job where, if that job where I have to see who's real and who's not doesn't work out, if that doesn't work out somehow, I could get a job at becoming an animal, and I could help the sick animals. You know, I could help these guys. I really could in animal hospital. So I'm gonna see if I would make a good nurse. Okay. Plus, I saw this game was popping up viral, so yeah, let's play it. Hold up. Why does he look like that? So let's just get into it then. Don't look at the flag on my back. Don't look at that. Look at my face. What does this guy want? Like, yo. 0 out of 4. Start now! Start now! Work the hospital until we find out what's really happening. I mean, work at the hospital? These freaking games need to up their grammar. Check in patients. Wait for visitors. My safety's important. If I zero you, I can get a gun. Can they come in like? Jeez. Sup? I'm Riku Paz. I'm here for my appointment. Yeah, okay, what's your appointment? Stamp forms. Take a photo. Inspect. Does that look like him? It does. Let's register him. Shut up. Registered. Let's print out your badge. Riku Pause. There you go, pal. I'll be in room 1. Room 1. I hope I can get out of here soon. Don't worry, you will. What does this game want? Shutters unlocked. So, what's that brain in the bottom? Is that like open? Take DNA sample. I'm sorry, bro. What do I do here? Analyze the sample. I'm sorry, bro. Be safe. This game is like that's not my neighbor a bit actually. I have a new guy. Did he say anything? No. Stop! Yeah, okay. Stop. Let's inspect your photo. That looks the eyes maybe. Register. Register. I'm just gonna. No. Alright. What does that say? Duke Shin. Thanks. I will be in room 2. Okay, room 2. Where do I scan this DNA? That's my question. They hate photos. Your cameras do detect anomalies. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so it is like that's not my neighbor. I took his DNA sample. What do I do now? Oh, my doggy! Look, it's her birthday today.
Happy birthday to you.
I want a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
She will kill you, not me. Ouch. Oh, here's where I do it. Okay. Ugh. If I did it in my office. Action. Dried eyes. Eye drops. Oh shoot, where do I get eye drops? I don't. You go to a hospital for eye drops? What a wimp. Why are they sticky out like that? Okay, I need to get eye drops. Aha. Here, bro. There you go. Patient recovering. That's good. I'm doing it. Stomach ache. What do you need then? Herbs. I got you. These are herbs. I will give you stone cold marijuana. The doctor's arriving. Oh, don't worry, doctor. I feel much better now. Good, good. Doctor... Mr. Doctor. Yeah, don't go in my office, pal. You must be the new horror. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hello, Dr. Harlow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you who is judging me. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Well, that's definitely comforting, sure. I will fix the shutters and security cameras for you. Oh, thank you. I want these. Shutters operational. Use shutters to reject people. And I have cameras. Patients treated. Help 2 people. Cool. I like this game so far, actually. Alright, we got someone now. Oh! I'm Martin Nook. I have an appointment. Inspect. Oh! What? No service? Yeah, I flipping wonder why. I'm leaving. Good. Wait, I don't want you here. Oh. Yo, you guys cannot be here. I'm sorry. What do... I'm Midnight John. I want to check in as a patient. I can tell you look very sick. I mean, it looks like him, but like... He is a zombie. Something... No. Something cannot be blocking the shutters. Look at him, he's going mad. He's banging his head against the wall. You alright, sir? What if I register and it does nothing? Oh. There. I got room 1. That's nice. Your turn, pal. Okay, stop banging against the glass. Oh my. Sir. Ask to leave. I want to... I'm sorry. I want to check in as a patient. Yeah, that's fine. See your photo. Looks normal. Register. See you leaving. Good. He busted my security cameras! Okay. Yeah, there's your stuff, bro. There, I needed to see what the hell is up with camera 1, bro. Rooms 1 and 3. Okay, so on the camera she was black. Hey. I have an appointment. Sure you do, you little black bear. Look at that. That is not you, gang. Just get out of my sight.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa! Okay, that actually got me. That actually really got me, okay. My sight worm. Someone has started a ritual! Oh my god! Death ritual? Yeah. Wait. No, I'm sorry. Open shutters. 3 to 0. Yeah, how do I... Oh, that's how. Hey. Let's just check you out. Seem normal. I want to check in as a patient. Let's check the camera. Seems normal enough. Daisy Acorn. Nice name. Thanks. I'll be in room 1. Of course you will. I'm sorry, bro. I had to do something else. Dried eyes and bleeding. Eye drops and bandages. Bandages are right here. So, lucky me. And eye drops are here. I like this game, actually. It's fun. Apply. You're okay. See what's wrong with you. While you do that, I will do stuff. Oh, no, I'm not doing that. And you're healing. The doctor's arriving. Let's go. He can heal them. I have a query. Okay, Doctor. I'm opening new facilities for you. Why? The supplies will be the supply shop will be open for a limited time. Wait, what? We have new supplies. And I got like a chocolate bar for hospital performance. 3, 0, 1. Yeah. I have 144. Give me this, man. He looks goofy. I like how he looks. He's funny. Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Hey, oh, like the dinosaur. Can you give me a coffee? I had a long day. Yeah, okay. I'll get you a coffee. I don't know how to get... Ooh, I need to get coffee from my coffee machine. Oh, chocolate. Here, bro. You are too kind. Thanks, friend. I needed that. I thought I saw something. I will remember this. Okay. That's nice. You remember that, bro? Operation? Good. It's kind of obvious I'm not letting you in. Oh, you don't care. What? No service? Yeah! It's 2 of you! I kind of want to see what happens if I just let the other guy in, though. Let little Diddy Blood in. It's kind of obvious. Hey. I want to check in as a patient. Alright, see your photo, pal. Yeah, I don't think you're allowed. Look at that. He wasn't allowed anyway. Have you seen the flipping face on the man? Oh, I'm leaving. Good. I don't want you here. He looks like Slender Man! What? But... What? I'm here for my appointment. Yeah. G-Cam, my Gary's mod. But... You're evil! No! Yeah, what? No service. Actually, correct you are, brother. We have gotten a lot of alternates. Okay, you seem relatively normal so far. Hey. I have an appointment. Of course you do. Who doesn't these days? Let's see your photo. You seem relatively normal. We'll just register you in. Lee Feathers. That's like a rapper name, Lil Feathers. You'll be in room 7. That's... He looks like a googly eye. He looks like he has googly eyes. That's so funny. I'm Ruby Sato. I want to check in as a patient. You don't usually say your name, but okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, bro. It's part of protocol. What do you know? Even his tail is weird and curly, bro. Patient on fire? How? Oh my god! No, come in! Wait, no! Bro, I'm sorry. I didn't know he actually died. Sure, I guess, bro. What do I do here? Oh, IV drops. I'm trying not to, bro. At all. Attention needed. Wait, what? Oh, I get it. That's a skull. I don't need to hit that. Boom. Boombo. Me bomba. Me bomba bomba. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Have I ever told you I'm a rapper? Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Bomba cla. Trying not to. Can you just heal, brother? Bloody eyes on the ceiling now, apparently. Oh, here. Finalizer. Can I close this curtain? I can. Bleeding and a stomach ache. Don't worry, I got you. I actually don't know what I need to get. Herbs and bandages. So bandages? I'm not looking up, Mr. Eyes. You're okay. Dude, it's like Irene from Herbs and Bandages. It's like Irene from the flipping Minions and Monsters. Who creamed on the floor, brother? Herbs, yeah. No, bro, let me out. I don't want to be in that room. Someone creamed on the floor, pal. I don't know who, but someone did. What? It's a rat. Hey. You appear on camera fine. See your photo. I don't know, your eyes are really big, but you are a rat. I'll let you through. Don't worry, bro. We're tight, yeah? We're good? We're good. Your ID is a bunch of question marks. Get out of my sight, bro. What? No service? Yeah, leave. Now. I'm leaving. Good. Come on, bro. I have patience. Patience on fire! No, don't worry. I got you. I'm on fire. Treat bro. I'll treat you, bro. Gang. Are you a monster? No, okay. Don't worry, I'll treat you. Just give me a sec. Bum bitty 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 bum bum. Well, at least this ain't Big Dylan. You guys know Big Dylan, right? I'm not being too niche.
Big Dylan, my big Dylan, my big fat Dylan, my big Dylan, my big fat Dylan, my big belly, my big red belly, my big belly, my big fat belly. I am Kane, I am an asshole. Big Dylan's handsome, but he's not in control. As Billy Craig put a life stake, he's gonna make the whole circus break.
Here, I'm treating to you. Be patient. Yeah, okay, stand. Take a photo. Are you normal? Yes. I hate you already because you're impatient. So I could have let you to burn. But no, I'm a nice guy. There, go. I will be in room 3. Good. Flippin' nonsense, mate. Reasons, bro. Like, you literally have eye drops at home. You literally... The doctor's arriving. Let's go, doctor. Hello. Oh, I thought his eyes changed. What does this suitcase say? Top secret. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Some patients may seem unstable. Flipping really. Wait, I wanna check cameras. Make sure to use photo and cameras. Stay alert. I don't trust the doctor. I will unlock the taser. I have a taser. 5, 0, 4, 0. We didn't kill anyone. Good. The shop is open. La 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 la. Shop is open. I'm gonna buy the gun. Shoot people. Extra checking window. Yes. Flip. Hey, I have an appointment. Yeah, sure, bro. Let me just see you real quick. You seem normal. Let's take your photo. Taser ready. Shock suspicious people. Like now? Oh my god. Clean up on all 3, bro. Holy. Okay, checking patients. Buy gun, how much? Yeah, I'm not doing that. Oh my god, you're okay. You're okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. There, I got you, bro. Trust. I always got you. You need this. Dude, I could've let you to die. Shut up. There. I'll stamp. Take a photo. Let's inspect it. Okay, I'm not sitting next to a weirdo. Let's see. Why was the camera flickering? Not camera, the lights. Why were they flicky? What's your name? Daisy Woods. Okay. Yeah, you will be in room 5, you bum, bro. Hurry up and get healed, would you? We lost one. Okay, a ritual, room 1. Dude, it's too late. Dude. How can this be fair? I'm over here playing Friday Night Funkin' and people decide to be evil. The doctor's arriving. Please, brother, I need some help here. I want a gun. What do you want, doctor? Good job. The emergency is over for now. Yeah, I lost 2 people, game. More ambulance. No! I am not prepared! I want a gun! Here's the bonus. What, like $5 more? I don't care if I lost 2 people. Critical. The shop. I can actually get a gun. This is not a gun, gang. This ain't a gun. Reroll the shop. Sure, I don't care. I do not give a damn, brother. Sure. I have free coffee. Sure, I guess. Yeah, good. I don't care. This game is actually making me mad. I know what to do here. I'm the good guy. Oh, you're new. You have a suitcase too. Name's Ron. Ron from accounting. Is that actually your name, Ron? From accounting. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Dude, shut up. Coco Seco. Never mind. Yeah, just give me your forms. Thank you. See, he did it nice and speedy. Let's see. You're normal. Get in. Now what about you, Ron from accounting? Yeah, you're fine. Just get in. What happened to the computer? Thanks, I will be in room 8. I couldn't care. Just actually give me the taser. Why is the stupid rat here again? Yeah, okay, so first of all... No, we're not. Shut up. Something evil's going on here? No, it's not. Good, leave. Both of you. Oh, shoot. Okay, what do you need? IV drops. Surgery. Medkit. Medicine. That's antibiotics. Medicine. Antibiotics. Go! Scissors. Organ transplant. Organ transplant. And then, where's the scissors gone? There. 10 seconds left, man. This game is stressful. I have bigger fish to fry here, game. He just left. What are you waiting for, you bum? Just let me check my camera's game. So you're evil. I can tell. Told you. Leave my hospital. What about you? Are you normal at least? Okay, you're normal. Get out of here. Yeah, I'll just let you in, gang. Gotta fix this camera. Can't get in through my own window, like. Yeah, you're normal. There, get out of my game. Yeah, you recovered fine. Room 1. She's going on to room 1. I'm sorry. Dehydration. IV drips. IV drips. Not eye drops. IV drips. This game is something else, man. Oh my god. Why does this camera break? Camera fixed. Actually, good, gang. Gucci. Okay, so blue dog is evil. That's clear. I don't know about bunny, though. Or cat, whatever the hell you are. Okay, so you can go through. You cannot. Tony Green, go on. Tony Green, of course he did. He has green in the name, why wouldn't he? Alright, what do I need to do for him? Oh, 1 sec. Shoot. 2 antibiotics. Go in. Thank you. Holy God, man, this game is something else. Yeah, what do you want, you bum? Copy the sequence. Yeah, what is the sequence? Yellow, pink, green, cyan. Yellow, pink, green, cyan. Get scanned, like. I actually needed CBOW. What does he need? Fever and the flu, so thermo and a cough syrup. Cough syrup and a thermo. Why is it called the thermo in this game? It's a thermometer. There. Get better, like, see, shut up. Dude, that could have been you, that did the likes. It was. Are you bad guy too? No, okay. Those eyes on the camera are actually gonna get into me. That's freaky. That's freaky. Just take your photo. Okay, you're fine. Yeah, register that minute. Sadie, get out of my face. Oh my God! Get out of here! Give me my coffee, gang. These are my last 2. Okay, you seem relatively normal. I come to visit someone. Could you be the one who's flickering with the lights, you flipping bum? Let's see your photo. Okay, you're normal. You're normal. Now what about you, you cheeky dog? Or cheeky cat? Okay, yeah, you're fine. Visitor, get out of my face, you visitor. Give me this. Bye-bye. I'm taking the taser. Gonna plop this here. Alright, someone's needed in room number 4. Ghostly presence, what? I got you. Okay, you just looked a bit off to me, gang. I swear I saw an alternate, bro. Oh, hello. Are those the spirits of those who died? Okay, that's actually a really cool feature. Okay, yeah, let me take a photo. Let's see it together. You're fine. Let's take your photo. Let's see it together. You're fine. You look like a bit of a zombie, though, if I have to say. Get on my face. 4 treatments? Oh my God. Visitor faint. Hate this game. Get pick up. So room 7, and I'll be room 7. Plop you down. Let me take your DNA. I just took a DNA test. Turns out I'm 100%. Y'all remember that song? I do. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Nah, you ain't getting my hospital. Told you. Get out. Flipping nonce. Chinned the bloke, I tell you. Fever, headache, flu. So, thermo, medicine, cough syrup. Thermometer. Cough syrup. And medicine. Oh, yeah, I can carry 4 items now. What's up, Mish? Yeah, you heal up. Nice. Room number 2 now. What do you want? Rash and bruises. So, ointment, medkit. That just opened on its own. And ointment. There. So I think it's room number 3 I need to do now. Yup. Canadian, low sugar, and bruises. 2 maple syrups and a medkit. You fatty. There. Room number 7 now. I got the taser locked and loaded. Let's close the curtain. Put the little drippy drip drip to this. Action needed. I can almost click my skull. I will kill you. Boom. Can you please move? What do you need? Fever, stomachache, headache. So thermo, herbs, medicine. Thermo, herbs, medicine. Herbs, medicine, thermo. Thank God they're color coded, man. That's actually really helpful detail. The doctor's arriving. Please, to God, let the doctor arrive. Come on in, doctor. I gotta check. You're a good doctor. Your sanity is important. Alright, I actually forgot about that. Don't die on me. And take good care of the patients. I am! They're the ones being bums. The hospital records 3 deaths. It's over. So it is basically infinite then. Okay. Seven, 1, 3, 0. Let's go. 200 bucks. Please have a gun. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky. Still here? Huh. Checking your game. Asuka got eaten by the bed monster. Who the hell is the bed monster? That's why I always carry maple syrup with me. Can I have it? My guys kind of need the maple syrup right now. Return you. You have a normal photo. Register, print. After this shift, I'll probably just end it there then. I got room 5. It's real flipping great. I'm Sammy Acorn. I have an appointment. That's nice. Can you send me? Thank you. Let's see you. You're cursed. Get out of my game. Fire. Of course you did. Room 7. I'm creaming all over this fire, bro. Yeah. Sometimes I don't even know what I say. Patient on fire. I don't know how to deal with this. Yeah. Yo, just have to trust me, bro. Know what? No, I don't care. Get out of here. Okay, I didn't think that would work. Honestly, this is an alright game. This is an alright game, but it got a bit repetitive. It got too repetitive. Overall, good idea. It could be a bit less repetitive, as I just said. But yeah, good game. It was a good game. So remember little Marcy's birthday's today. How old she turns? She turns 3. And she's a beautiful 3-year-old. Look at her. Hello, hello. Look at her. Again, don't look at the flag on my back. Oh, I got you. So yeah. That was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, but I'll just... Look at her. Look at her. She's your birthday banana. Look at her. I don't know how that's gonna sound until I edit, but yeah. I will see you guys next one. Bye!